Sri Arnendra Kumar, Chairman, Railway Board, Sri Rajendra Kashyap, Member, Finance Committee, Sri Arvind Kharge, Additional Member, Production Unit, Hemant Kumar, Additional Member, Mechanical Engineering, distinguished delegates from various countries and officials of the department, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from media. Indian Railways carries over 7 billion people annually, which is equal to the entire human population on Earth. Our recent focus on technology upgradation has been driven largely to achieve higher levels of safety for our passengers. Despite the fiscal constraints in upgrading the aging infrastructure and in the face of rising costs, the number of trains Indian Railway carries over 7 billion people annually, which is equal to the entire human populations on the earth. Our recent focus on technology has been driven largely to achieve higher levels of safety for our passengers, and accidents per million train kilometers have reduced from 0.41 to 0.13 over the past decade. While our primary focus has been to provide a mass mode of safe, reliable and affordable transport, being the largest passenger railway in the world, it is a natural aspiration of people of this country that Indian Railways provide them high-speed rail travel. Indian Railways had attained speeds of 120 km on its Mumbai and Calcutta Rajdhani Express trains way back in 1973. In the year 1998, the Bhopal Shatabdi Express became India's fastest train, attaining a speed of 140 km, which was further increased to 150 km in 2006. Meanwhile, many countries like China, France, Germany, Italy, Taiwan, Turkey, South Korea, and Spain have developed high-speed rail to connect their major cities. The maximum commercial speed on most of these high-speed rail lines is 250 to 300 km. The first such high-speed rail system began operation in Japan way back in 1964 and was widely known as the bullet train. The first high-speed rail line in Europe, built in 1980 and 1990s, improved travel times on their national corridors. Since then, several countries have built extensive high-speed networks, and there are now several cross-border high-speed rail links. A high-speed rail in Europe is an increasingly popular and efficient means of transport. Developing a trans-European high-speed rail network is stated goal of European Union, and most cross-border railway line receives European funding. Most countries consider high-speed capability to be in the range of 250 to 300 kilometer, which requires a dedicated track with fencing and can be prohibitively costly. For a country like ours, a track fencing also has its own set of associated issues. Thus, leveraging rolling stock technologies may provide a lower cost solutions to meet the immediate needs of achieving speeds of 160 to 200 kilometer, and that too on the existing track. For speeds above 200 kilometer, the costlier and time consuming solution of providing a separate dedicated track with fencing becomes inescapable. Therefore, the focus of this conference is to consider achieving higher speed trains in the range of 160 to 200 kilometer with a marginal inputs in the existing infrastructure. Achieving this higher speed, a train travel of 160 to 200 kilometer will also need understanding of many new technologies which Indian Railways has not been extensively exposed to, such as aerodynamic profiles, a lightweight technologies, cab signaling, etc. This intermediate step can be considered preparatory to achieve high-speed train level of 250 to 300 km per hour in the foreseeable future. This conference has widespread representation from various countries across the industry, academic research institutions, consulting organizations and Indian Railways itself. A technical papers by authors from several countries are going to be presented over the 8 sessions covering various aspects like train dynamics, maintenance systems, lightweight technologies, crashworthy features, braking and operational aspects, etc. I am sure that the deliberations in this conference between the various stakeholders will bring about a better understanding of the underlying technology issues and make higher speed rail travel in India a reality. I wish this conference all success, and at the same time I would like to mention here, because as on today, though we have got more than 64,000 kilometer rail line, to improve all this 64,000 at a time for high speed, it is highly impossible. And as I have earlier stated in my speech, whatever the existing infrastructure is there, on that existing infrastructure, how much speed we can take, what should be the technology, at least present circumstances, that should be seen. We may create a high speed trains or bullet trains, but can we take those things at this juncture? And we should see the circumstances also, and at the same time, whatever infrastructure is available in India, to what extent we can use that and what speed per hour we can increase. Now many of our passenger trains, they go 40, 50, and here I have got number of problems. Every railway station there will be request, whether there will be 10 people, 20 or 100, they will request us to stop because this is the cheapest mode of transport in India. Even comparative bus, hardly the passenger pays 1/4 or 1/5 of the amount of bus charge. So in such circumstances, I have to see one side a welfare measures, and the poor passengers should take on cheapest fares, and at the same time we have to maintain the standard, safety, and the people to reach destiny in time. So these are our problems. On these problems we should also throw some light. All right, Russia, China, European countries, Canada, so many countries have prepared their own agenda according to their population, according to their lines. But as per our existing infrastructure, what best we can do within 4 or 5 years, if you give at least some input for that, we can improve to some extent. And that will be a biggest thing you are doing, or big favor doing to me particularly, when this international conference is here and from various countries many experts have come. I hope they will take the note of this also, and according to that our the experts, those who are working with railway board or railway ministry, they will also improve it. ऐसा नहीं होना, हमारे चेयरमैन साहब को भी बोल रहा हूँ और बहुत से डेलीगेट्स कि घोड़े का नाल फ्री में मिल गया इसीलिए घोड़ा खरीदो, ऐसा नहीं होना. क्योंकि कोई चीज हमको फ्री में मिल रही है या चीप क्वालिटी चीपेस्ट है इसीलिए वो खरीदो, तो फिर बाद में उस नाले के लिए घोड़ा खरीदते फिरना और उसको मेंटेन करना फिर डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. तो इसीलिए हमारे आवश्यकता के अनुसार आज के दिन में हो सकता है, वी वांट टू इम्प्रूव आवरसेल्फ. नो कंट्री वांट्स टू लिव बिहाइंड or they want to be backward compared to others. Everybody wants to take ahead of their countries, and we are one of them. We are also ambitious, and our Prime Minister is always for such things, and he is encouraging not only for our industry but other industries also. He with open mind he is helping, whether it is commerce, whether industry, whether railways, for infrastructure, particularly our high-speed corridors and other things. He personally taking interest, he is reviewing, and every month important railway projects are reviewed by Prime Minister under his chairmanship, and all our important officers, including me sometimes, we present there. We put some of our difficulties, and he takes note of that and asks the concerned department to solve it. So we are at it, but at the same time, you must also think about these things which with the existing available resources and available infrastructure, what best you can suggest to us to implement. That also I want to see it, and that will be a great help to us. With these words, I thank you all the members. Thank you.